Hello, everyone. Welcome to the world of science. My name is Ray Valencia, and today I will be teaching about the basic knowledge of science. Let's begin with our objectives. To construct a definition of science and to list and explain the several branches of science. Now, let us define what is science. You can read with me. It is the pursuit and application of knowledge and understanding of the natural and social world following a systematic methodology based on evidence. Remember this, systematic methodology based on evidence. You may have a question, why do we need to study science? And why science is important? Science is all around us. The fact that you exist and in the process of reading this lesson is science. The process of the air we breathe is also science, not only for humans, but also for animals and plants. Our favorite food, the water that we drink, the clothes that we wear are based in science. Looking up into the atmosphere gives us the glimpse into astronomy, another branch of science. You can get it around it. Science is everywhere and one of the most topic of study in our world. Science is organized from the most basic forces of nature, just some of the largest, like the study of Earth and space. Moving on, let us define what is physics. It focuses on laws and properties that govern behavior of all matter. Do you know who is in the picture? You can guess. He was the famous physicist developed the theory of relativity, no other than Sir Albert Einstein. Correct. Physics often involve things we can't see or touch, but prove, like gravity. We can see or touch gravity, but because of years of experiment, we know it is there. The key word is gravity. Physicists also study energy, mechanics, motion, waves, electricity, nuclear reactions. Last but not the least, forces. People interested in physics normally use scientific laws and theories to build some of the things that we can see in everyday life. Here are the example: bridges, cars, buildings, and power plants. Moving on with our lesson, what are the branches of science? Let's start with the physical sciences: physics, chemistry, astronomy. The earth sciences: geology, oceanography, paleontology, meteorology. The last one, the life sciences: biology, zoology, genetics, and medicine. These are the three main branches of sciences. Now, let's start about the physical sciences. Earlier, we have already defined what is physics. Again, it is focusing on laws and properties that govern behavior of all matter. Our example given earlier was Albert Einstein. Chemistry, the science that deals with the composition, properties, reactions, and the structure of matter. Do you have idea who is in the picture? He was the famous chemist discovered pasteurization, which is the process of heating liquids such as milk and orange juice to kill harmful germs. No other than Louis Pasteur. Correct. Astronomy. It is the study of the universe beyond the Earth atmosphere. Example, the solar system. Solar system has 8 planets, and the center of the solar system is the sun. For our next meeting, we will be able to discuss about this astronomy. Here are the earth sciences. Geology, the science of the origin, history, and structure of the earth, and the physical, chemical, and biological changes that it has experienced or is experiencing. You can see in the picture about the Earth's surface, one of the parts of geology. Next, we have oceanography, the exploration and study of the ocean. All right. Next, paleontology, the science of the forms of life that existed in the prehistoric or geologic periods. What do you see in the picture? Correct. Dinosaur. Meteorology, the science that deals with the atmosphere and its phenomena, such as weather and climate. All right. So with this branch of sciences that we have discussed today, we are going to discuss them as we go along with our lesson. All right. Here are the life sciences, also known as biology. Botany, the study of plants. All right. Study of plants, also the non-living things. Zoology, the science that covers animals and animal life. All right. Genetics, the study of heredity. The keyword is DNA. Medicine, the science of diagnosing, treating, and preventing illness, disease, and injury. In the future, if you want to be a doctor, you will be able to discuss or study about medicine. All right? It's a part of science under the life sciences. This is one of the last quotes by Albert Einstein. All of science is nothing more than the refinement of everyday thinking. What do you think? Why Albert Einstein quoted about this? Scientists, they have spent a lot of times just to discover and share the knowledge that they have found. What we have today, we owe to them about the knowledge and experiments that we have known today from these scientists, because they have gathered evidences in a systematic methodology and come out with this kind of lesson and knowledge. We are the new generation of this time, and we should be thankful and grateful for the scientists who lived on earth just to experiment and discover about the sciences. All right. Are you ready? I believe you are all ready. We will be having on this video worksheet questions and answer. I want you to prepare a paper, a piece of paper, and write down your answer. All right. Question number 1. Match the events to the branch of Earth sciences. Events. We have number 1, a tornado roaring across cold country. Number 2, a landslide falling down a hillside. Number 3, waves crashing on a beach. And number 4, a meteorite crashing into Earth. So you just need to write down your answer from branch A, geology, B, meteorology, C, astronomy, and D, oceanography. Just write your answer after the phrase or statement from the event. All right, go. All right, question number 2. Match the branch to the activity of the scientist. Activity number 1, searching for new mineral deposits. 2, trying to discover if there is life on other planets. 3, investigating climate change. And 4, tracking ocean currents. The same thing, just write your answer after the statement. Question number 3, identify the specific branches of the following. Number 1, study of animals. 2, seas and oceans. 3, meteorology. 4, human and animal digestive system. 5, elements and mineral. I wish you all good luck on answering these questions. Do you have any questions? Thank you so much for listening or watching this video. See you on our next video class. Bye-bye.